Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Open up your Google Map and then you have to hit on this profile icon which is on top right corner of the screen. And in this pop-up, you have to go with settings. Now go with edit home or work. Select home from the beginning. Enter your home address over here, or you can choose your current location and map. For now, I am going to hit on current location. Hit on continue. Now it is showing my current location over the screen and I'm going to hit on save. Hit on done and it's done. Same as you have to apply this method twice. Now we are going to hit on work. We will choose map for this time. Now we have to pin up the location and then hit on save. And it's done. So that's it guys. How to change location on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.